Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change theme in Todoist. Todoist is a popular task management app that helps you organize your work, studies and daily life in one place. You can create tasks, set due dates, manage projects and customize Todoist to match your style. And one easy way to personalize Todoist is by changing its theme. So changing theme helps reduce eye strain, improve focus and match your personal or work preference. First you need to open any of the web browser, and after that in the top address bar type down todoist.com and enter it, and make sure to log into Todoist. And once you reach into this interface of the Todoist, in the top left corner, because in the top left we can see there's a profile icon here, go to the settings, and once you reach into the setting interface, select to this theme, and here we could find all of the theme that you want to prefer. You can select your Todoist own theme, dark theme, your moonstone or the tangerine, and after you're done with that you can select update on the bottom. And changing the theme in Todoist is quick and help make task management more comfortable and enjoyable, whether you prefer light mode during the day or the dark mode at night. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to change theme in Todoist. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.